Hello, my name is Tarmizi Abdullah. I am from class 8 Agrotechnology University of Jambi. I want to talk about agrotechnology. Agroecotechnology is a more complex agricultural science study program. This study program is combination of several study programs at the Faculty of Agriculture, namely the Department of Agronomy, Soil Science and Pest and Plant Disease. This study program will study the scientific basics of finding, analyzing, and solving problems through analytical, creative, and exploratory thinking in the field of agronomy. This study program equips students with academic skill in applying, developing, and enriching scientific knowledge in the field, as well as disseminating and seeking its use to improve people's life and enrich culture. If you are interested in botany and studying plants and their growth and processing, especially if you like to pay attention to environmental sustainable and like to innovate to increase production and processing of plant products, the agrotechnology study program will suit you very well. This study program will develop you to innovate in order to bring Indonesian agriculture to a modern, sustainable direction from a social, cultural, economic, environmental, and technological perspective. Currently, Bachelor of Agriculture graduates are very much needed in the world of work. Agrotechnology graduates can work in plantation, government agencies in the field of agribusiness, non-governmental organizations that provide agriculture counseling, or become entrepreneurs or business actors in plantation, food, horticulture, and forestry commodities. Yes, those were something about agrotechnology. Thank you.